Hi everyone, this is Farishte and today we are here at Cinepolis to do the public review for Bop of all thriller movies, Kahani 2. तो जाकर जानते हैं पब्लिक की राय. So how was the movie?
Okay, movie was really great. First half really amazing. Second half didn't hold much.
It was gripping till the end, as usual, like Kahani 1 also. It was really nice movie. A thriller movie, scarier in between, but yeah, it was good.
Movie was very nice, but the name is Kahani too, so I always end up comparing it with Kahani. So in comparison, I found it a little, on the downside. But if you see it as a standalone film, it's a very good movie.
I love the movie. It's a very nice film and it's a very gripping storyline. And the whole movie, you won't get bored even for a minute in the complete movie.
No doubt it has got no relation to Kahani 1, but the Kahani is very strong. The script is again very strong, direction is great. Vidya Balan amazing. She's acted perfectly throughout the movie. There is no place that she is overacting or underacting. Just too good.
Good movie, watchable movie. And Vidya Balan is really good. She has acted well. And Arjun Rampal is also well. And it is directed well. Suspense is maintained very well.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui touch was missing. Sujay Ghosh again didn't disappoint. Vidya Balan again didn't disappoint. So guys, watch the movie.
Okay, what do you have to say about Vidya and Arjun's acting?
The acting was awesome. They were engrossing. They were gripping till the very end. So they were nice. And Arjun was also in a new role after a very long time. So it was good.
Arjun's acting actually fitted the role, so the role he's playing is perfect for an Arjun Rampal, and Vidya is obviously phenomenal as well. So it was very good acting, and Sujay Ghosh, his direction can't be overpraised.
The credit goes to both of them for this complete film. It wouldn't have been, they complement each other very well, and it wouldn't have been a great film without the two of them. And wonderful acting, very nice, all of them. Even Minnie, the kid, the small kid that was there, she was also very good, fantastic.
Do you think Kahani 2 has lived up to the expectations?
Yes,
of
surely
the
it has
suspense?
lived up. It shouldn't be again being compared to Kahani 1 again and again. It's totally different, so we must keep it different, but it has potential.
No, it can't be like that. But it's a different way they have presented.
The whole way in which, the Kahani is made, thriller, the suspense part, it's still there. But there is some message that the film wants to give is what I feel. And it keeps you at the edge of your seats always whenever you're watching the film. So it's wonderful.
Kahani 1 was better than this, but both of them have done a good job. So I like the acting, and yeah, I think it's a must watch.
Was the climax really expected or was it like
No,
just a suspense for you?
It was a suspense. The message in the movie is very good. So overall, it was a nice way of presenting what they were trying to show.
No, I
thriller.
feel a little bit less than what I expected, but overall it was okay, worth watching.
Till the first half, yes, I was really looking forward to it, and I was really, amazed by the build-up they created. But eventually, till the end, the movie didn't go to the extent did till I expected. But nonetheless, not a bad movie.
Which was your favorite part in the movie?
The ending, obviously, it's a Kahani, so that's what you keep waiting for.
So basically, the movie did not disclose itself in the middle or in the beginning. Till the very end, you had to be engrossed and try to understand what's happening. And there was suspense at various different moments. So it was good. So every moment had its own good thing in it.
Favorite part, I loved the complete movie, but still the end, obviously always, Kahani, even the first part when the whole story is revealed. That's a very nice one.
How many stars will you give?
3?
Out of 5, you can give 3.
4.
3.5 at least.
I'm not a critic, but I really have to give 3. 3 out of 5.
3.5.
4.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. तो ये थी ऑडियंस की राय. अब ये सस्पेंस आपको पसंद आएगा कि नहीं, ये तो सिर्फ आपको मूवी देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. If you've liked the review, give it a thumbs up, share and comment. And for more, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Movie Talkies.